Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming your plan allows tethering and that you have usable data. This avoids surprise bills. Once done, make sure your phone has enough battery or is plugged in because Hotspot drains power. Now open Settings, find Network or Connections, then Mobile Hotspot. Turn the Hotspot toggle on so the OS creates a network. You're initiating the service now. The device broadcasts an SSID you'll use next. Keep your phone unlocked so you can adjust the network name and security settings immediately. You should now set the SSID and security so only authorized devices connect. Change the network name to something neutral and then select WPA2 or WPA3 for encryption. This prevents eavesdropping. Create a strong password. Aim for 12 characters or more mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, pick the correct band. Choose 4 GHz for broader range or 5 GHz for faster local speeds. Finally, cap the number of allowed clients so your data and battery last longer. And save these. Now connect a laptop or tablet. Pick the Hotspot SSID and enter the password. Confirm the client receives an IP via DHCP. If you get no internet, first toggle the hotspot off and on, then restart the phone and verify mobile data is enabled. Sometimes the APN needs checking for tethering. Make sure roaming or data saver settings aren't blocking traffic. Once connected, monitor data usage and enable auto turnoff when idle. If speeds are poor, move the phone to a better signal spot or switch bands and block unknown clients.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.